All right, so we're kind of out of the music. I think we'll be all right for copyright. And let's go down this side and see what we got.
Wow, some great choices here.
Yeah, I mean, you start off right away with the winged Mopar, right?
Gotta love the wing.
Yeah.
It's not only the wing, it's the front.
Oh, I know.
I mean, it's a whole package of aerodynamics.
It's cool. 1969, 4-speed. And we'll look at this wing, try to get back a little bit, pull back, and
I like this fuel.
now look at this one. That's the first time I've ever seen that.
Oh, adjustable.
They're not all that way, are they? Boy, I feel dumb now if they are.
I don't recall that.
I don't know, but I know they're not for drying towels on. I mean, you can dry your towels.
This is a really great paint job where it
Candy
depends
apple.
on the light. It's light and dark.
Probably not picking up very well. And here's one of these trucks leaving. Look at Apache. Is that? When did they stop the Apache? Probably by here. I think this is just a
3100. Yeah.
Very
Step
nice.
side.
Oh, and then look at this detail here. You got all
it's a
this going up
55.
there.
See ya, buddy.
How you doing?
That's Mark, by the way.
Hope you liked it.
Fox body, right? No, not. That's pretty straight.
Nice color on that Stingray.
Yeah, green, shiny. Got a good shine to it.
Nice Jag.
The equalizer must be here, right?
4 liter.
Oh, now see, I would have put these with the Escorts, kind of put these together, those performance cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm not sure was this a G, is this one that should have a turbo?
It says Turbo Dodge.
Yeah.
Shadow. ES.
Yeah, it should be down there with those EFI
Yeah.
Escorts.
Well, I think that was an era where, we had all this power, and then by like 73, 74, it was gone, and it was a way to start using fuel injection, turbocharging, and it reignited the hobby.
Yes, yes.
And that you could actually have a fast car.
Right.
And then
Really clean. This is a unique paint.
the amazing thing is, we were just saying how rare it was to see a Falcon
Yeah, and there's another
panel.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's another one. Now this is a different year as the first one we saw, right?
Yep. 289. Oh, I love the Ford windshield washer reservoir.
Yeah, you saw what I
They
got a
update things, but they
plastic
put something
one.
like that in there. Nice touch. So 67 Chevy pickup a 10.
Yep, same year as me.
'70 Chevy with the 350.
Buick Grand National. Remember they used to have the commercial, Mr. Vader, your car is ready, and this is what they said he would drive, right? And we got a Knight Rider replica. Michael.
We saw one of those up at Lansing, I think, at that show. There was one.
Yeah, we did. The old car, no, what is it? Capital City Old Car Club.
Yeah.
And what's the difference between these two? They're exactly the same.
Pretty much.
And you get to see underneath this one, the hood there. There's a lot going on there. And here's another one. Well, this is a little bit different here. It's this T-type Buick, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mustang GT California Special. Now let's look at this go by. Hold on, let's check this.
Oh, yeah. So it looks like the cars are cycling through. They're here. They're going to go out and cruise a little bit.
I think they're getting
and
some
come back.
lunch. I think they come in here, and now that I know this, if I cruise a Telegraph Cruise, I'll just come over here.
Yeah.
right? I mean, the hospitality that they've shown us.
Oh, yeah.
And the
Really
people here,
nice
they're
spread.
really nice people. We
Yeah.
talked to the owner, and they do great work. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Here's another
Just
one.
to see it.
T-Bird with peanut butter interior.
And that 31 Model A, I'm going to make you go over there.
Yeah, let's go over there. Let's watch this truck go by. All right, let's check this Model A out. We got some Fords parked here.
Yeah, right next to yours. Flying quail, what ornament? Oh yeah, this is all stock.
Yeah,
Except they put a little fuse in there, which is a good safety thing.
keep it from burning down.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It is, it's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah, we love Model A's and T's,
Yeah.
but yeah, you can't go wrong. I mean, after, you know, if the EMF or something goes off, these are going to be the only cars that run.
Right.
Well, the battery is hooked up, so the battery would be dead, but there's no other
Yeah, the
electronics.
battery's down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is an early 31 because it isn't the slant windshield and it doesn't have, I think, the fuel.
That means it's early?
Yeah, in the year, and then later in the year, starting like I think May, they went with the slant windshield.
Right. That's right.
And gas.
And gas, yep.
And then they also moved the fuel shutoff from underneath the dash out into the engine compartment.
Yeah.
The state of Pennsylvania. See, I know too much about Model A's.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. All right, let's go back over here.
Oh, that does have the indented fire.
So Mustang convertible and a 427 Cobra. Yeah, that's pretty nice too. And look, it's a Ford with a Ford. Isn't that interesting there? Every time I see that, it's blower motor mounted right there.
Yeah.
All right, now we can look at this military. There you go. You can go over there and I'll go around and you can read what that is.
Yep, let me read it off for you. The M1163 internally transportable vehicle, ITV prime mover trailer. Oh, you could put them inside the Osprey or the Chinook helicopter. And produced from 2006 to 2012.
So where were they used, does it say?
Deployed in Afghanistan 2011 through 2014.
Wow. There's a lot going on there when you look at it, but there's not a lot of protection,
No.
right? There's just no protection in there. None whatsoever.
But it's just probably designed to be easily airlifted.
Huh. Interesting. Never seen one. It's a first for me. He's green. This stands out. Well, this is interesting here. Ah, this is interesting. We got the contrast. We have the old and the new.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Nice.
Good looking cars. I wonder if the color's the same, just an updated version. All right. Well, Mark,
Mike?
that's it.
Yeah.
There's a lot
they keep
going
coming and
on
going,
here.
but yeah, that's what I like is it keeps changing, and so you can hang out here for a while, or people cruise a little bit, come back, go back out and cruise. It's a good day. It's a great car show.
It is. Michigan, we're not going to let the weather get us down.
No.
We came out, persevered, and Mother Nature's cooperating.
Yeah.
So this is another episode of our classic car ramblings. Be great if you shared, followed.
Right.
Until next time.